Hey guys, welcome back to Dynasty Preppers. This is Justin.
And Aubrey.
And today we're going to take a look at the second installment of PMP's Prep Box, the Fire Edition. You know me, I like fire. Find out why we have two boxes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the PMP Prep Box. This is the second box of the new boxes that have come out that Jason's doing. This is the Fire Box, and if you're a pyromaniac like me, you're going to really enjoy this one. Now, one of the best things about this is that, as you guys know, we hit our 500 subscriber mark, so you'll see here we do have a second box that we're going to go ahead and give away as our 500 subscriber giveaway. There'll be a separate video for that. Make sure you check it out. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified about that. But let's dig into this here. This is a really good box that Jason's coming out with. And his view on it is that he wants the highest quality gear that you can get for the price. So, and so far in the past two boxes, I've agreed with that. I think they've got some good stuff in there. So let's dig in and see what we've got. The first thing that's listed on here is the PMP's Large Fire Kit. And this has, you know, lifeboat matches, regular matches. It's got the Tinder grenades in there from Jason, which I love. It has a fire steel in here. You got some regular matches, wet fire. I mean, you got Fatwood, a whole bunch of stuff in here that you can use to start a fire. And this is a $40 value. I agree with that. I bought one that had almost the same stuff in it from Jason before, because he's got lots of really good fire kits on his website, for about $40 to $45. So I totally agree with the MSRP value on that. So the next thing you have is the PMP's Tinder grenades, and these are really cool. I thought these are really cool fire starter for the kids. So this is something that Jason makes himself. You've got some twine, some Fatwood, and lifeboat match on there. And basically all you have to do is strike this, and it burns. I think it's almost like 15 minutes. So definitely wanted to get some more of these to add to our kids' kits, and we've got a nice bag of them here. I think you can order these separately on his website. So if you like that idea, definitely go ahead and check it out, poormanspreparing.com. You also get a bag of Fatwood. So this is from Jason himself again. So inside the sealed bag, you've got Fatwood pieces that you can use to start fires. You can add that to different boxes and things like that. And that has the Tinder grenades have a $15 value. The bag of Fatwood has a $5 value. Then you've also got the shear strips by Go Prepared Survival. So these are military issued Tinder strips that you can add to your kits there. So we'll have to try those out. I haven't actually played with these before. That has an MSRP of $12.99. And then you've got the Extreme pouch for a Dragonfire Tinder here with a $12.25 value. And this is a resealable bag that has a bunch of stuff you can use to start fires with. We've gotten this before in like a battle box and stuff like that, I believe. And a lot of uses to starting fires in there, so that was a really cool item. So again, overall MSRP listed on this is $85.24. I believe I paid $58, so definitely see a lot of value there. We'll touch on the value again. $40 for the fire kit, which I agree with. I've bought that before for that price. Tinder grenades, $15 value, and I think there's like 8 or 10 in here, which is a good value there. You got the bag of Fatwood, which is a $5 value. The shear strips for $12.99, and the Dragonfire Tinder for $12.25. So personally, I really see all the value in this box, and I'm a sucker for fire stuff, so I really enjoy that. We'll have fun playing with all this stuff and trying it out. So overall, the first two boxes from Poor Man's Preparing definitely gets a big thumbs up from us. I will put a link to his website down in the description box below, so you can order these if you want to. Next month's theme that they have, I believe it's going to be May. The May theme is EDC gear. Now there are two levels to the next box. There's the $50 level, which is what this is here. The next one has actually two levels. You can get more gear for $100. So definitely, if you're interested in EDC gear and things like that, check that out. And it's at poormanspreparing.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe to the channel because we've got a big giveaway coming away for a 500 subscriber giveaway. You can win this box here. Not this one, because I'm keeping this for myself. But I've got another box for you guys that you guys can win, and with a lot of cool fire starting gear in it. So, like I said, stay tuned for that. And don't forget to ask yourself, what have you done to secure your Dynasty today? Thanks, guys.